Hi everybody, this is Roger Morissette from Janine's Frostee. Welcome to our 9th annual car show for charity. The charity I use is Integrated Cancer Services at Bay State Mary Lane Hospital, a local charity right down the street. We do it for cancer. We've had family members that have died of cancer, so that's why I do it. It's kind of a personal thing. And so we're in our 9th year now, and as you can tell through the footage that we're taking now, we've got a really nice day and some absolutely beautiful cars. The registration fee for the cars is $10. Everything that I make here goes to that charity. Every single year it's been the same way. This year we are at about 85 cars so far. Every year varies, it's different. The more the better, that means more money for the charity, so it's a good thing. I ask local businesses for this event to donate merchandise, and we raffle it off, and we end up making as much money as we possibly can for this charity. So I got to thank all the sponsors. I have local sponsors, banks. This year is sponsored by Munson Savings Bank, St. Germain Insurance, North Brookfield Savings Bank, and Rescom Exteriors. Every year about this time, late July, early August, I have the same show every year, and weather permitting, of course. We lucked out today with a beautiful day. But every year it's about the same time. I promote it months in advance, check with other car show guys. And in order to promote it, we put up flyers all over the place. We get ourselves over to the local cruise nights and things like that. And we meet a whole ton of nice people, and we tell them it's for charity, and everybody we've met so far loves to come and help out, and we end up with a great day. So I thank everybody, from all the sponsors, all the people who donate, all local businesses like myself, who donate goods and donate their time. And of course my staff, who is just unbelievable, work really hard at this year after year, and I just thank everybody. It's just a great day. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Stanley McNitus from Barry. I have a 1964 Falcon Gasser. Car looks like it's right out of the 60s. I have a 302 V8, headers out the side. It's an automatic, roll cage in it, ladder bars. I have a straight axle out of Econoline front end that was narrowed and put in this car. It's a car that I always wanted. I found the car in a barn. Car's up from Tennessee, and thanks Paul for trading my Galaxy for this car, and thank you Chris for the work that you helped me with, and Keith too.
So what we have here is a 2013 2SS RS. It's a factory track pack car. They made 1,800 of them last year. 255 were black. I got this one from New Hampshire. Comes with pretty much everything you see. I did customize a little bit with the hood, carbon fiber lip on the front, give a little more downforce. After all, this is a track pack, so it's meant to be driven on the race course. But it comes pretty much as you see. Done a few modifications to it. I did the LED markers. I did the front splitter on the front, which is all carbon fiber also. We just put new rubber on there, which I can't wait to get on the track and beat up tomorrow at Thompson Motor Speedway.
And I see you got number 3 on there.
Yeah, he's always been my hero. And when I race, all my buddies wait for me to register first because they want to make sure I get my number. So I figure if I'm going to race and I can choose, I might as well go with the number 3. Usually we do a big run over at Fort Devens once a weekend, once a month, Sunday, last Sunday of every weekend at Fort Devens for autocross.
Malibu Chevelle, and it's got a 454 bored out to 502 cubic inches. It's a turbo 400 automatic, and we love it. It's Daytona yellow. Had the car 9 years, and it's never given us any problems. Of course, we do it a little upgrade now and then, but it's our baby. It's where most of the money goes, but we enjoy doing it. We enjoy being here at Janine's too. They're good people. Yeah, we come here every year, so we like the ice cream and the fried clams.